This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the current trend of the market and present support and resistance levels. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exits. Today is June 30th, Thursday. When we look at the economic event calendar for today, we have lots of low impacting news planned for today. And when we look at the high impacting news, we have OPEC JMMC meeting all day today, which has a high impact in the market. Again, as we scroll down, we have medium impacting news on Canadian dollar planned at 6 p.m. and at the same time we have high impacting news on USD related currency pairs. We also have a tentative news on New Zealand dollar which has a medium impact. So requesting you to consider these events calendar planning your trade entry and exit. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing a resistance line and a support line. So from this level we have noticed the price action to trend on a bearish trend. So it was on a bearish trend, took support on this support line, then bounced back on the bullish trend. Again it continued its bearish trend and again took support on the support line or the trend line, and currently we have noticed the price action to retest on the resistance line over here. So when we look at the overall trend of the price action, it is in a bearish trend. And also when we notice whenever it tests this support line, we have noticed it to bounce back and retest on this resistance line, and currently also we are noticing the price action to bounce back and retest on this resistance line. And within this bearish channel pattern, I am drawing one more channel pattern. So in this area we are noticing the price action to trade within a bullish channel pattern. Although the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, only within this channel pattern we are seeing a bullish trend. And also we are noticing this resistance line preventing the price action to go on a bullish trend. So if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend, and if the price action breaks this support line, it will be the continuation of the previous bearish trend. So the current price action in 4 hours time frame is only under a consolidation. It doesn't have a direction. So wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side. Currently it is under a consolidation and there is no direction in the price action in 4 hours time frame. And when we look at the current support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame, so if the price action breaks this support line or the trend line, next level of support is going to be around 1799, and also it will be the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1830, it will also be breaking the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern, and it will be the continuation of the bullish trend. So the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is neither a bullish trend nor a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame also we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame bullish channel pattern, and took support on this support line and had bounced back, but it couldn't break the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, and currently we are noticing the price to retest this resistance line several times, but overall trend in hourly time frame is on a bearish side. So currently it is again testing the previous support line and the resistance line. Today we can expect a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side. So please wait for the breakout if you want to take a directional trades. So looking at this trend line, we can notice that it was respecting this trend line. Then once it gave a breakout, we have noticed it to retest on this trend line, then to go on a bearish side. Again it has taken support on the next level of support, and then we have noticed the price action to retest and then trend on the bearish side. So if the bearish trend continues, wait for the price action to break the support line, and you can take trades when it breaks this support line and to retest this resistance line. You don't have to enter into the trade immediately when it breaks the support line, because we could see false breakout also which had happened over here also. So wait for the price action to retest, enter into the trade when the price action retests this resistance lines. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance will be the previous high, which is going to be around 1840. And if it breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance will be 1848. And also it will be the continuation of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating. Wait for it to give a directional breakout to take a directional trades. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, I have drawn a resistance line. Previously we have noticed the price action to respect this resistance line, and we have also noticed after breaking this resistance line, the price to come back and retest this support line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. Currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bullish side in 30 minutes time frame. So we can expect the price action to trend on the bullish side as long as it doesn't break this support line or the trend line. Once the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to take support on the previous support level, which is also the support line of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. So the overall price action in 30 minutes time frame is also consolidating or trading within a narrow range within this resistance line and the support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame, and current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bullish side. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I mean 5 minutes time frame. When we analyze the trend in 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing a resistance line over here, and we have noticed the price action to respect this resistance line and to consolidate or form a triangle pattern, taking support on this support line and the resistance line, and finally it has given a breakout on the bullish side. As long as this 30 minutes time frame support line is not broken, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.